Why not keep it going? Ordered the pump. It stopped working after the haircut thing. So let's put in a brand new pump. 75 bucks, Amazon. Recommend you push start twice to drain out all the water. Get all the water out first. Unplug the dishwasher. Unscrew and then pull out the drain hose. Remove base cover screws. Open the door, remove these two mounting screws. Turn the hot water line off, or the dishwasher line. Close this valve all the way closed. Into the dishwasher and disconnect the water line. Mine is a 5/8 wrench. Disconnect right here. And turn it clockwise. Yeah, it's gonna leak. Pull out the dishwasher. Tilt it over. T20 screwdriver. Take out the mounting bracket. Pull it off. Take out the old pump. I'll use two hands. I'll rotate it around a little bit. Unplug it. Took it out, unplugged it, rotated it out. O-rings are in. Make the power go, stay close to the power. Make that switch, that slot line up with that for the mounting bracket, and push it in. I'm gonna use two hands. Okay, it took some effort to squeeze that back in, but I did it. Now I'm gonna plug it back in, and then put everything back. Slid it back into place. I had to reinstall the water line. This is probably the hardest part. Back in the mounting brackets. Water line is in. We'll put the cover back on. Reattached the drain hose. Now just gotta plug it in and try it. Open this. Open back up the water. Then turn it on. I always forget that. Alright, check it for leaks. Nothing leaking. Just gonna see if it works. Whoa, that sounds powerful. Ooh, I think we got it. Thing is humming. Ooh, we're spraying now. Get yourself a new pump on Amazon. That's how you do it. It's easy. Pull out the plug again before reattaching this. Be safe out there, guys. Capo Jabba out.